Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how I made these custom Honda Prelude taillights. Now, I've always wanted to do these, so I just wanted to show you my step-by-step process on it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You can see more of my taillights here. So see you guys later. Peace. Alright guys, so what's up guys? So I just filmed some cinematics or a little showcase of the lights, but here are the lights. This is the I think this is the 97-01. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's 97-01 Honda Prelude taillight. So these are actually very spacious in terms of, like, you know, where to actually put designs and everything. So I know I wanted to do these for a while, so I went ahead and did them. As you can see, it's kind of like a kind of bar LED diffuse type. That's majority of my taillights. If you guys haven't noticed, they take a more different approach, but here's all the functions all lit up. So this red bar here would be the running light and directional turn signal. Just like the Audis, they sweep, so hopefully they work on the car. We'll see. As you can see, this is the reverse light, little design there. Of course, is really good white. I don't know why it looks blue, but it's actually really white. But next, you can see the brake light right there. As you can see, it kind of also has that same intensity, and we have the turn signal right there. So yeah, we have all our light sequences. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I built these and the step-by-step process, like I always do. So yeah, these look pretty nice. I took a couple photos and I was like, oh my god. Alright guys, so here is the tail light. You can call these, I call these the LED light housings. These are basically the design that you see on the back side of the lens. So that would go, so that's the lens there, right? So those will actually go behind the lens, and that will give us our design. And again, all these areas could be any design as I wanted. These are all computer cut, so we get the little bit more design there. So let's go ahead and getting these onto the lens. And yeah, this is just normal acrylic, by the way, if you guys don't know. You can use that acrylic from Home Depot as well. As you can see, the diffusion on there, really nice. I particularly use aluminum foil tape. This stuff you can find anywhere at this point. So some scissors. Yeah, we're just gonna go attach it. Make sure your lens is clean too, because sometimes you get all that kind of junk and, you know, stuff like this. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up for you guys. So when we attach the LED strip, right, we're gonna go ahead and clean the surface. I went ahead and cleaned it with alcohol to make sure that the adhesive on the LED strip would actually adhere properly. So we have the length of the wire we need here, and we're just gonna feed it through the original light bulb, whatever. That's how we're gonna lay it down. You guys can see that. We have the LED strip right there on the bottom. And that way, when we do light it up, it matches the corresponding area there. So we got everything wired up. Everything should be working pretty much the way it is. So now we're gonna go ahead and test the lighting features, etc. So let's go ahead and turn on the running light. These LED strip has a little startup animation, but it just stays stagnant when it's just normally on. So here we go. Nice. Drop some light here. Don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Okay. So there it is. There's the running light. Okay. Let's work on the. Now there's another one here. And there you go. That's the reverse. As you can see, it's a lot. It's mainly on the white area there. Take off the light. And we got it right on the corner here. Turn signal right there. It's an LED strip. There. Of course, that would go on with the sequentials I haven't shown yet, but brake light. As you can see, it also has that same design for the reverse as well, right here. So that's your turn signal. Sequential. As you can see. Again, here's another look at the taillights. It's a little dirty on the lens. I still need to clean it a little bit, but everything should be there. That's how it looks like when it's off. Now, a quick reminder: if you want to put these back together, you're gonna have to heat these up again and then just push it back in. It should be enough to kind of close them, but I usually have it closed enough, you know, but we still have that ridge here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some silicone in there. That way we have that extra protection behind the original OEM, but they looking pretty good. Alright guys, you can't tell already, it's already dark, but yeah, we got it done. These little Prelude lights won't look the same no more. I mean, they'll look pretty good on the back side of a Prelude. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys want to see more, leave a comment, or you know, if you have a suggestion on what taillight that I should do next, then go ahead and leave a comment, or yeah, if not, you can just keep on seeing the lights I want to build. Yeah, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a lot more stuff coming as always, so I'm trying to step up the YouTube game a little bit more, so bear with me. So yeah, hope you guys find this tutorial, this little how-to video, a little bit helpful, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.